So that's why I'm here with you today. I want to share this love of drawing and doodling with this series of workshops that we're calling Doodle, Draw, and Paint. So let's start off with doodle. Sometimes people think, well, really, what is a doodle? True. For me, doodles are simple designs or pictures. Simple designs or pictures. So this is a doodle. Sometimes people will just doodle on paper while they're listening to someone talk or watching a movie or whatever. And then this is a doodle too, but this doodle is a little more what I would call representative. It shows something. It shows a sun. Can you see that little doodle there? That's a doodle of a person. I'll bet you could guess who. That's a simple doodle of me. So I really like to doodle suns, spirals, and fruit. So that's a doodle that I might do. Then another part of what we're going to get together and do is draw and paint, but that comes later. So draw and paint.